Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another go at Zach Outback. Today we're going to be going up to the Chattahoochee WMA in Helen, Georgia. I'm just going to call it the Helen WMA because it's a lot easier because everybody knows where Helen is. So I'm just going to call it that. But so my roommate has never had trout before, so I'm going to see if I can't harvest a couple for him. Normally I don't do that. Normally I just do catch and release, but you know, I'm kind of feeling a little bit of trout dinner myself today, so we'll see you on the river. Okay, so we've pulled up here to the Helen WMA, and as you can tell, it is still pretty dark. I do not know if you can see me or not, but I normally like to start out at this corner if you can see, especially first thing in the morning before the herd arrives. This is also one of the locations that they stock it, so if you are fishing here, I'd suggest using like a mop or a junk fly or like a chartreuse like egg pattern or something like that. Just something that kind of resembles more of, you know, what these fish saw maybe in the hatchery or something like that, because from my experience they don't really like eating nymphs and stuff like that all too much. But I'm going to go ahead and get my rod and reel set up and get to jiggling. Okay, so it's a little bit brighter out here. I know for a fact when I cast I'm not going to be able to see my line in the water at all, but still going to go for it. Let's see if we can't find a spot to get this all set up right now. I can literally see a dead fish in the water right there, so that's always a telltale sign that the spin caster has been here. There you go. So this guy's looking a bit too small to eat, so I'm going to go ahead and get him back in the water. First little rainbow of the day. There you go. So this guy is of eating size, so I'm going to go ahead and harvest him. Some people like to let them suffocate to death. I really like to do that. I'm not really into animal suffering, so I just like to go ahead and dispatch them immediately with a rock, just bash them on the head a couple times, take care of it. Not going to do that on camera though. And that dead one that's right there is a pretty good sized fella too. There you go. So, looks like we got another guy. This guy's already been messed up, it looks like. He's only got one eye, but... and we'll take him, I guess, huh? So normally I would have let that other one go, but since he had one eye, I figure you probably ain't got much longer anyway, so might as well make it quick and at least get a little bit of meal out of him. Ah, never mind. So since it seems to be a little bit deeper out here and the current's a little stronger, I'm going to throw on just a little bit of split shot to help it get down there. Guy absolutely choked it, so I guess the good thing we're going to eat him anyways, huh? So, I'm not too sure how much longer I'm going to be out here. Looks like the spin casters are starting to wake up and lay claim to the one spot of the day on the river, and y'all know how that goes, but whatever. We're still gonna have a few to harvest and take back and eat with my roommate, but we ain't done yet. We ain't done yet. You know what I'm saying? They just twirling their hearts out. Twirling. Spin the wind, baby. Spin the wind. Spiegel. Tell you what, I love coming out here next to spin casters and just ripping some fish out. Just brings me joy for some reason. Spiegel. That's a good one right there. That is a good one. Alright, I realize I'm going to have to dispatch this fella real quick. Don't worry, I will cut this out of the video. There we go, Schmeagle. How's it going?
Good.
You got some luck yourself today, huh?
Yeah, I caught a couple.
Cool beans. I got these, and I got a few in the car as well. So.
Oh, okay.
Alright, so we got about 6 harvested right now. Well, I guess we'll just get 2 more or something and head on out. Spiegel! Look at my net. Alright, so we're at 7 for the day right now. Well, I guess 8 if you count the one I let go earlier. But he was just a little guy. We're going to get 1 more and then wrap it up. I'm pretty sure I can just get it right here. Seems to be a hot spot. There's a bunch of stockies right here, so let's do it. Tell you what, it's a joyous day when the spin casters see pulling out all these fish and they get mad and leave. So I'm going to go take their spot now. Hey. Just the way I like it, baby. This pool right here is personally one of my favorite spots, so see if we can't get this last fish and get on out of here. Well, we hit the limit for today, so let me get this guy on my stringer and get on out of here. Alright, so it's been a good day. Like I said, we reached the limit. Sometimes they tell you to go ahead and match the hatch. How's it going? In this case, the hatch is pellets, so I threw on the closest thing that I had, little egg chartreuse patterns, a little mop, a tractor, like a big, nice, like red mop, and like they were just destroying it. Because I've come here, you know, after they stock it with just like nymphs, midges, and stuff like that, and you know, wasn't really pulling them out too well. So today I came back here with the closest thing that I could to a pellet, and they've been smashing it. Like I said, it's been a good day, and we're gonna get home and we're gonna get these things cleaned down up, and then we're gonna do a little cooking for you. Alright, so we're back at home now. Gonna go ahead and get these bad boys filleted and ready to go. I'm not gonna cook them till my roommate gets home, so I'm not sure when that's gonna be, but we'll catch you guys then. Alright everybody, welcome back. Kev Stew has arrived home, and so we're going to begin the process of getting these trout cooked up, but first we're going to start off with our lemon pepper butter sauce. Let's squeeze 2 lemons into this right here. Make sure you get all the nice and good juiciness out there. Oh yeah. Make sure you don't get it in your eye though. I don't think anybody wants that. And if you didn't know that you had any cuts on your fingers anywhere, this is a very good way to find that out. Okay, so I didn't think that 2 lemons was going to be enough for all 8 of these trout, so I went ahead and put 3 just in case. But now I'm going to put just a couple of crushed garlic cloves in there, and then some fresh ground pepper, and maybe a little bit of thyme in there. And then I also turn this on to low, so once that gets a little bit heated up, we're going to throw some butter in there too, so it melts all nice right. And as you can see, I'm also getting some of these trout prepared on the in the tin foil I'm going to be baking them in. I'm only going to put 2 per little tin foil wrap, and then I'm going to place them in the oven at 400 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes. I'm just going to check on them in between there. Also, we're now going to add some butter. I'm just going to let that melt on in there.
Are you recording it?
Yeah.
Basil coming?
Alright, now we got the lemon pepper butter sauce and some freshly ground pepper and some thyme on there. Got them each in their own little packet sections here. Then once that gets up to 400, we're going to toss that in there for roughly, I'd say 12 minutes before we start checking on them, just to make sure. Alright, now that we got our oven preheated to 400, we're going to go ahead and place our little bundles of joy in there. Oh yeah. Go in there. Welcome to your new home. Oh yeah. Let's see, we're going to put the timer on for 15 minutos. Then we're going to check the meat to make sure it's all good and stuff. But in the meantime, I think I'm going to have me a glass of chalky milk. Alright gang, it's been 15 minutes. Ooh, I hear them sizzling in there, so I'm still gonna check them just to make sure. But I'm pretty sure they're good. I hear them.
Where the boys going?
Ooh. Okay, I think they need a couple more minutes. Alright, so we got those bad boys out the oven, ready to go. Let's go get the stew. You ready? Oh yeah.
We crank them down under.
I remember there are tiny bones in here, so. Oh yeah. Bone apple's hit. Alright, he's gonna try his first piece of trout. Yeah, see, watch out for the bones. They all up in there. How's it taste?
Pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah? You just saying that to make me feel good?
Nah.
Okay.
That squirrel that you made that one time.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I could cook a mean squirrel. We'll do that again one day. Alright, yeah. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. We're gonna sit here and have this nice lunch dinner thing, and if you enjoyed what you've seen today, please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.